of dissolved substances from water. Water dissolves many things. When sugar mixes with water, it forms a solution. Here, sugar is a solute and water is the solvent. Evaporation and distillation are the two methods used to separate dissolved substances from water. Evaporation. Soluble substances in water can be separated by heating the water. When all the water gets evaporated, we get the substance. So, the process of separating soluble substances in water by heating is called evaporation. Here, the water is converted into water vapor. Distillation. Distillation is a very good method of purifying water. In this method, we can also collect the water vapor and change it back into water by cooling. For example, take some salt water in a retort. Connect this retort to another flask called condensing flask. When water present in the retort is heated, water vapor is formed and it is collected in the condensing flask where it changes into drops of water. The salt is left behind in the retort. The water collected in the condensing flask is called distilled water. Separation of insoluble substances from water. Some substances like stone, sand, chalk, and many kinds of disease germs are insoluble in water. We can separate the insoluble substances from water by sedimentation and filtration. Sedimentation. Take some clear water in a beaker. Now, take some mud and mix it in the water. The color of the water is changed. Keep it undisturbed for some time. The insoluble particles are settled down at the bottom. These are called sediments. This process is called sedimentation. The clean water is poured into another tumbler. This process is called decantation. Filtration. In filtration, water containing insoluble substances are poured into a funnel having a cone of filter paper. Insoluble substances are caught in the filter paper. Filter paper has very tiny openings in it, so that even the smallest particles of any impurity in water cannot pass through it. The clear water collected in the vessel is called filtrate.